Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the present for my son from his grandparents. They just came for his 6th birthday and they bought him a tablet. Now, I know what you'll be saying, probably it's too early, but he's a technical child. He likes to play on all kind of gadgets, from Xbox to mobile phones to tablets to computers. So whenever he can get hands on something technical, he likes it. So I figure it's a good present for his 6th birthday. Now, I had a look at this tablet. I have to tell you that this tablet was bought in Ukraine. So it looks like this. It comes in a beautiful, elegant box. So these are the specifications at the back. It's an 11-inch size tablet with a MTK 6582 quad core. It has 3 GB RAM, a flash memory of 32 GB, and it uses an operating system Android 6.0. Now, the screen, it looks quite good. I would say it's a fairly well built tablet. It is a clone, I have to say. It has a dual camera both sides. It has a Bluetooth 4.0 and the Wi-Fi works quite well. Now let's unbox this thing. Now it says only Model Z40 on it. Nothing special. There is no specification whatsoever in this box. It looks like this inside. It comes standard. It comes standard with a glass protector. If it's a clone, you might as well give us at least a screen protector. What do you think? And here it is, the tablet. It comes in a nice protective plastic bag, and here it is. Shiny, tiny, and it says Sony on the back. You see? Well, for a clone, it looks quite decent. Now in the back we also have some nice bags. Begging your pardon. We have instructions. Look at this. We have instructions. Incredible. The clones have instructions. Would you believe? Well, it says meet Android. Wow. And some instructions. The catalog. It has a catalog. Tasty. Well, cool. We'll study this after. And this is what comes with the phone. So you have, with the tablet, sorry. It has a nice adapter, just 220. It has some headphone and another cable that is standard USB charger. Another cable for video out to TV. And that's it. The box is empty. That's mainly it. Let's check now how this beautiful baby works. And this tablet comes with some pre-installed applications, as you can see. Nothing special. Let's check just the video and the sound quality. We will open a random 4K video. It works quite well. The sound is nothing special. Probably we should test the sound with some car boosted The sound is nothing special, I think. We will try to connect now the tablet to Bluetooth speaker. Let's see what happens. Let's go on Bluetooth. Connected. Let's open a nice song. So for today, this is it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click the like button below. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button. So we see each other next time soon. Ciao!